Missouri hit by tornadoes, quarter-sized hail, strong winds Sunday. Tornadoes touched down throughout northern Missouri on Sunday along with quarter-inch sized hail and strong winds of 50 to 60 miles per hour. Pictures posted by storm chasers showed buildings ripped apart and tractors overturned as the storms rolled through parts of the state northeast of Kansas City. One image of Purdin, a small town in northern Missouri, showed a torn-down building and debris across the ground. If you live northeast of Purdin, take shelter now. The National Weather Service's Kansas City Division tweeted shortly before 5 p.m. Central Time. "We are seeing a strong circulation on radar and it has been confirmed by the fire department." Earlier in the day, a tornado touched down east of Purdin in Caldwell County around 3:30 p.m. Central Time, according to the National Weather Service.